Alright guys, this is what I did for the bearings for the rear rim. That seems to be working. The part number is F6001Z. It's one of these bearings and it's got the outer edge on it. Basically what I did is there's like a little bit of slop back and forth, and so what I did is I basically took a bag and wrapped it around the back side of this and put JB Weld in there, and then put the bag over it so that way it didn't get stuck to the rim. And then now you can pop these bearings in and there's no movement at all. They lock in there, and like I said, I've put quite a bit of miles on this and I have not had an issue with it yet. I was having trouble finding a bearing that fit this rim and fit snug, so I'm gonna keep running this and just see how long it'll last for. And then for the center, just went down to Tractor Supply, got some tubing that fits around the 12mm axle, and then cut it to width so that way there's something in between the bearings so you don't smash the bearings when you're trying to tighten down the rim. It basically just drops down inside there, just like that. And then I mean that's what I've done so far with it, and it's worked really well for me.